Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you this mobile Samsung A2 Core. In this mobile FRP bypass problem, first of all you have to connect Wi-Fi hotspot. You can see here verify your account FRP bypass problem. You can see here this mobile Samsung A2 Core. So now I want to remove this FRP bypass, and now you have to insert cable from PC and download this tool. You can see here scan this driver, and after that scan, and now dial number, any number you can share. You can download this tool by link and click dial. Here you can see number is calling, and close this call. After that click on add contact. So now friends, share this contact and Google Go. You can see here use without a Google user, you can see here. After that click language and done. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Now you have to search this link frpfile.com/bypass. When you write this link, then search it. Click on first link. Now friends, you have to click add Chrome browser and accept. Again you have to search frpfile.com/bypass. Now friends, you have to download two applications. First of all, download Google Account Manager Android 8, and next download bypass FRP 1.0 APK. Click on three dots and download tabs. There are two applications downloading. First of all, you have to install Google Account Manager. When install complete, then click done, and now install bypass APK. Now friends, open this application and click on three dots, browse sign in. Now you have to enter your Gmail account. When you enter your Gmail, then click next. After that input your password and next sign in. Signing completed. Now you have to restart this mobile. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So set up this mobile. Checking for updates. Account added. So friends, this mobile FRP bypass remote verify Google account is completed, and you can see here this mobile setup. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. All is done. This mobile completely is unlocked. You can see here Now bye, be back later, see you next videos and take care.